Biomimicry is a new emerging way of looking at finding solutions to problems and also opportunities for creating a future which is aligned to sustainability. The great thing is that it's a multidisciplinary sub-approach, and whether you're a businessman, you're an engineer, you're a politician, or you're a designer, or you're just somebody who's looking for inspiration, Biomimicry offers solutions which are not only time-tested, 3.8 billion years of life on Earth, but also, in all likelihood, solutions which will be good for the health of the planet.
This was our first time to come to Kupam and interact with the faculty and the students. And we could, just teaching biomimicry, we could see the enthusiasm in the faculty and the students. Although there was a language barrier, but it was very enriching for us to see how biomimicry brings a joy and an added layer of knowledge to the students.
So myself, Swapna, I'm working in biodiscovery department. So through this workshop, I learned how the nature helps to develop the technology. Like biomimicry is nothing but the nature development which solves the problem for the humans, like imitations of the models, systems, and the elements of the nature for the purpose of the human problem solving.
I'm Dr. Randy Mahadev, working here in project-based learning as an executive. I heard the term biomimicry, the word, which looks very new to me, and I thought it might be any sounds making by the animals and how to mimic it and how to enjoy the nature. But after participating in this biomimicry workshop, I understood that how functionally we have to observe the nature, how functionally it has been designed since evolution.